morning. This is Chris here, talking about why the U.S. went from being neutral to having involvement in World War II. Here's Samuel.
Thanks, Chris. This is Samuel. The U.S. went from being neutral to being involved in World War II by breaking the Neutrality Act, by fighting Germany with Europe. But the two main reasons are that Hitler was being a crazy man and that the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor. Here is a clip of how Hitler was treating people in World War II.
Run, girl! Let me do the rest. Stop talking. Now you.